Right, good morning, grade 9. So now we've done factors and we've done common factors. This is the introduction to what we call factorization. So if you can remember, we had a distributive law where we multiplied something into the brackets. Now we're going to be doing a very, very, very important section called factorization. You use this all the way up to matric. So you need to really, really listen and practice and do the work. So factorization is the opposite of distributive law. Factorization, you actually now get the brackets. So where you did distribution, you got rid of the brackets. Now we're actually going to give you things where you actually got to find the brackets. So the first step, so we call it factorizing. And the first step that I always want you to remember, I'm going to put it in big and bold. The first step is look for a common factor. In actual fact, a highest common factor. So let me do an example. If I give you an expression, 5a plus 20, you must have a look. What can go into 5a and 20? Look at the number first. Can 5 go into 20? Yes, it can. But can I take an a out? No, because there's no a over there. I can just take out the 5. But now taking out, when I say take it out, it means that you're basically dividing by it. Then I'm left with a plus 20 divided by 4 is, 20 divided by 5 is 4. And that's very important because now this, when I multiply back, I should get back to my original. Okay, and you can check it. 5 times a is 5a, plus times plus is plus, and 5 times 4 is 20. So that is now factorized. I cannot add a and 4 because they are unlike. Right, so let's try another example. AB plus A. What is common to both AB and A? The only thing that's common is A. Put a bracket. What am I left with here if I divide by A? I'm left with the B plus. What am I left here if I divide by an A? I'm left with a 1. Very, very important, that 1. What do if I check it and I multiply back? I've got A times B is AB, plus times plus is plus, and A times 1 is A. You have to put that 1 there. Very, very important. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try. Okay, now we get a little bit more tricky because we've got a minus 8x squared minus 8x. So when you see a minus, it is best to take out the minus. We don't like minuses, so we take him out. We divide by him. So we're going to say minus. What is common to 8 and 8? It's 8. What is common to x squared and x? Just the 1x. Okay? Then you put your bracket. Now, remember I said to you, you can almost consider that you're actually dividing by it. So if I was to divide over here by minus 8x, a minus times divided by minus is a plus. 8 divided by 8 is 1. And what is x squared divided by x? Just a single x. Okay, now because I've taken out the minus, I have to put a plus here, because a minus times a plus is a minus. Okay, and I took out 8x. So what am I left here? If I've taken 8 and I've taken the x, I'm left with just a 1. Okay, and then check it. There's no reason why you should get these things wrong. Minus times a plus is a minus. 8x times x is 8x squared. Okay, and then I've got here Minus times a plus is a minus. And 1 times 8x is 8x. Okay, it takes a bit of practicing, and that's why we're going to do lots of practicing. But it's not very difficult, actually. Okay, let's try another example. If I give you 12a squared b plus 16ab. Okay, now we can't take out, these ones was easy because we could take out that whole 5, and this one we took out the whole 8. But here we've got a 12 and a 16. We cannot take 12 or 16. We have to take something that both of them can, a number that can go into both 12 and 16. Okay, and remember, I use your prime factors. What are the factors of 12? The factors of 12 was 1, 2, 3, 6, 12. What are the factors of 16? 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. Right. So, what is common to both? Oh, I missed a 4 over here. Okay. What is common to both? The highest one is 4. Okay. So now we can take out a 4. Now we've got an a squared and an a. So the highest one we can take out is actually just the a. And we've got a b and a b, so we can take out the b. Right, so then we're going to multiply. We've divided by the 4ab here. Okay, so what are we left with? 12 divided by 4 is 3. And a squared divided by a is just an a, and b divided by b is just 1. Plus, we've divided that by 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. We've divided by the a, they cancel out. We've divided by the b, they cancel out. So we stop there. They do not add or do anything because they are unlike. Right, are you still with me? Let's try another one. Okay, so we've got 6x cubed y squared z minus 3x squared plus 12x squared yz. Now we've got 3 terms. Doesn't make it any difference. Okay, so I've got a 6, a 3, and a 12. 3 goes into itself once. So can 3 go into 6? Yes. Can 3 go into 12? Yes. So I'm going to take out the 3. Then I've got an x cubed, an x squared, and an x squared. So the highest I can take out is x squared. I've got a y squared, but there's no y there. So I can't take him out. I've got a z there, but I don't have a z there either. So I can only take out what's common to all 3 terms. Right, now remember, multiply. What must happen here must equal that there. So 3 times 2 is 6. X squared times x is x cubed. The y squared and the z stay there. Minus, I've taken out the 3, so I'm left with the 1. X squared I've taken out, x squared I've taken out, so it still stays 1. Okay? Plus 3 times what is going to give me 12? 4. X squared is taken out, so it's gone. But I'm still left with the y and the z. They do not add up or do anything because they are unlike. Okay. Then the last one, okay, is where you have 2x x plus 1 minus 3x plus 1. Now remember, we're not doing distribution. We're not getting rid of the brackets. We've got to put brackets in. We're factorizing. Now have a look. This one's a little bit different because we have a common bracket. You see that? That is common. So if we take out that whole bracket, what are we left with? 2x minus 3. I've divided by that whole bracket, so I'm left with the 2x, And I've taken that whole bracket out left, so I'm left with minus 3. Okay, you're going to give these a try. So homework is exercise 18.3 on page 238, and I want you to do number 1 to 12. Okay, good luck.